Thank you so much for taking time out and watching this powerful video. I believe it will be a blessing to you. Make it a point that you also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and after that, hit a notification button so that every time we upload a video, you'll be the first one to receive a message. Come on, let's watch it and see what it has to say.
He needs a day, he needs a day, he needs a day. Kulumanam, God needs a day. You're not speaking to me. God needs a day. One day. Give God one day. You will see what God will do for you. Elanga lokuqala ngicane ngizweni kahle ngelanga lokuqala uNkulunkulu waqeda iuniverse yonke wadala izulu nomhlaba makaqeda uNkulunkulu wathi let there be ngelanga lokuqala wafaka ukukhanya wafaka ubumnyama ngelanga lesibili wafaka ulwandle wafaka ngelanga lesithathu waqhubeka ebasalwana nizwa ngento engishoyo ngabe amagama God in a space of a week God can change your life all together. Abantu abakwaziyo bathi hayi asakwazi siyakufanisa babuze bathi le moto idriver yakho yini because God can change in a week. Bangazi abantu tushintshe njani in a space of a week to be what you are because God does not need a year. But God needs just one day. Alithi Bible, God created heaven and earth first year. About the second year were created. uNkulunkulu ngelanga lokuqala, ngelanga lesibili, ngelanga lesithathu, God was creating every day. Within 24 hours, God has got powers to change your story all around, totally different. God can change you all together in a space of 1 week. Oh, John McCullough, I just need this 1 week. You're not happy because awunaimpahla zeChristmas zokuthengela abantwana uhlelana ojabulanga awunayimali yokuthenga rice nemayonnaise. But I've got good news for you. God does not need a year to give you that money. God can give you that money in 1 day. Just 1 day God can give you $1 million in 1 day. Amafem wonke avalile, but God can cause somebody to EFT you something. I don't know, but I prayed this morning. uNkulunkulu makadakwe million A1 ezwenza transfer wrongfully but rightfully, and le mali ye-million ingene accountini yakho. Baba ngiyathandaza leyo millionaire kungabi yimi akuba abanye. My God, my God, my God, my God, my God. uNkulunkulu uzokhosa umuntu enza iphutha but ingabe iphutha ezulwini. Ukuzalwa kaJesu mhlambe bekuyiphutha ebantwini but bekuyisibusiso ezulwini. God will cause 1 millionaire adakwe imali akutransfer 100,000 and you're gonna have a white Christmas. Oh. Who says I believe? Who says I believe? Akwenzeke accountini yakho aseCapitec. Who says I believe? Akwenzeke kule FNB. Who says I believe? Lapha eNedbank ayenzeke. Shout I believe. uNkulunkulu kanti wena unjani? Awudingi iviki ngelanga elilodwa, ngelanga elilodwa. Ngelanga elinjani basolwane? Elilodwa kanti uNkulunkulu ngalala uyisentinier, uvuka uyimillionaire because God just need 1 day to bless you. God just need 1 day to whisper to somebody to make a transfer to you. uNkulunkulu thenge nitshele abantwana basekhaya ngempela siyaphuma ku2016. And uthi angiconfirmela akekho noyedwa ozosala sonke siyongena ku2017. And njengoba singena sonke singeni nje onyakeni but singena onyakeni wesithembiso. Singena onyakeni ono7. U7 inamba kaNkulunkulu. U7 is a number, it's a perfect number of God. Akekho umuntu ozongena ku7 ahlupheke. Akekho umuntu ozongena ku7 aswele ukudla. Akekho umuntu ozongena ku7 angaphumeleli. I declare this morning to you, wonke umuntu ongenayo awungena onyakeni nje but ungena ezweni lezinto zakho. Khona ingoma engizondayo but makunje zingahlatshelelwa sekusele kancane singene ku2017 and ungena kwakho ezintweni. Abanye bayasho ukuthi kulonyaka kushoda kusele kancane. no but ngale asikhulume iqiniso ngale ndlela esisebenze ngayo kulonyaka sele kancane ukuthi izinto zakhe zilunge ngiyakubongisa ngoba ngo2017 akusalanga lutho kancane uyoqedelela yonke into beyisele andifuna ukungizwa nina but ithepho wankutla wena keri uNkulunkulu ukunikile imoto kulonyaka sekusele lendlu yakho ayideclare ngo2017 uyaphuma emqashweni ungena endlini ngoba noma into esele mawungena uyoqedelela lokhu bekusele ngiyantshontshelwa ngatshela abantu lento but number 7 has to do with it's a year of jubilee bekwaziwa kwaIsrael ukuthi makuno 7 it's a year of jubilee yini ijubilee bekunyaka omnandi wonke umuntu okoloda umuntu kumele uthole imali yakho before kuphela 2016 ngoba kwafika u17 kukhanselwa izikolodo I declare ngo2017 you gonna live a debt free life angeke ukoloda bank angeke ukoloda anikholwa nina nikholwa ngifuna abantu abakholwayo bonke labantu abakolodayo batshele mawungena kulonyaka your debt will be cancelled. Batshele bonke labantu abakoloda batshele hey you've got a week to get your money from me if anitholanga kulonyaka ozayo ningazongicasula I owe nobody next year it's the year of the Lord akusunyaka okolodana so ikhuluma crossover le but awuthi nginibonisa enye into mawufika ku2017 wonke umuntu ofika once babona u7 in the year in the sentence of the year once babona u7 they knew ukuthi u7 usho ukuthi isikhathi lapho khona uyovuna nala ungatshalanga khona uzohlala endlini ongayakhanga anifuna ukungizwa nina bazotshala abantu wena ufike ngokungena uhlale bazokwakha indlu wena ufike ngokuhlala bazothenga imoto wena ufike ngokugibela ushayele ngoba unyaka kaSimakade. Tell my country 2017 is the year of the Lord. It's the year of the Lord. Kunyaka kaSimakade sikolodana sikolodi muntu sidla noma yi. Marubana ngizaye. Ngiyabazwela abantu abangakholwa ngoba u2017 akusiwona wabo but unyaka ka2017 unyaka kaSimakade so is the one who will do recommendation ukuthi Range Rover driver ubani next year uyozenza ama recommendation iM Sport ye X6 izo driver ubani because he's the one in charge. Have a good relationship with God because God will have to do the recommendations. Umanye magama next year mawuya ku-interview kuzoba kunomuntu kaNkulunkulu phakathi kupanel and into zokwenza ukuthi akakhethanga ngokwekhuluma kwakho but ukhethe ngokwe-profiling yakhe asezulwini ubona i-relationship onayo noNkulunkulu athi uNkulunkulu ndibonile ndivile ndehlile ngiyayeka let's for another day but iphathe ngithandile athi ndizonikhipha kulonyaka wenhlupheko obizwa ukuthi uGibhithe. I know some of us u2016 ube eGibhithe angazi wena but mina was in Egypt this year ngizwe ngase ngathi yonke into beyilwa nami iphikisana nami but I believe next year I'm going to eat honey and milk. I'm saying I'm going to eat honey. I don't know but ubani umuntu engimshoyo i-breakfast uzoyidlala e-OR Tambo next year i-lunch uzoyidla eKruger National Park angazi but isapho uzoyibamba eCape Town but wenze ngani uthi angazi but this is the year of the Lord abantwana bakaNkulunkulu bazodla kamnandi kulonyaka ngoba this is the year of the Lord. Tshela bonke labantu abakulifta batsho ukuthi niyagcina ukungilifta ninezwana ngiyagcina ukugibela le moto nyana yenu ngoba the next year God will do a way, God will bless me, God will make a way where there's no way nami ngisho ngizoshayela hayi basalwana ngizokutshela anything is possible if umama wami ongizalwa na 60 years uhamba ngeMercedes Benz wena omncane kangaka anything is possible ngenzeka noma yini tshela makhe kusangenzeka noma yini ngahlula igogwana omncane kangaka but ubani ongizaya namhlanje kuseni ngizoprofeta wonke umuntu okhona ngithi ukungena kwakho nje ukuze ngimemezele ngithi 2617 welcome to 27 mangiqeda ukuwelcome awazi konakele you're gonna walk in favor in 2017 nalabantu abangakufuni bazoba ama-connectors of your destiny. Wathi uSimakade ngiyanithatha ngiyanikhipha eGibhithe nginisezweni lesithembiso. Makaqala bakhipha ngicela ngizweni kahle bazalwane. Uyabatshela njengoba nginisezweni lesithembiso laphana kunama-Hittites, kunama-Jebusites, kunama-what u-2017 uney'nkinga zawo but uthi uSimakade ngoba nihambiswa yimi nizonqoba. Abantwana bakwa-Israyeli bagcina bangenile ngoba bazifakanga bafakwa uSimakade phakathi. Uzongena uzonqoba uzophumelela uzoceba uzoba nemali. You'll be prosperous in 2017 ngoba uzifakanga. God tshela umakhelwane uSimakade uyafakana ey'ntweni. Uyazi mtshele ngathi userious ngamampela. Mtshela uSimakade uyafakana ey'ntweni. I believe ngo-2017 uSimakade uzongifaka ey'ntweni.
I believe and I know it that this video has blessed you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you can be the first one to know when I upload more videos. If you are blessed by this video, go ahead at the bottom here and give me a comment. Say whatever you want to say so that I can be encouraged to give you more videos. I'm telling you, even today, even tomorrow, I'm putting more videos. If you subscribe, you'll be the first one to know when I'm putting more videos. Stay blessed. Amen.